Is your Bluetooth icon missing in macOS Sequoia? No worries, I've got the fix. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to restore it in seconds and keep your Mac running smoothly. First, open System Settings, then go to Control Center in the sidebar and locate the Bluetooth icon on the right. Click the up and down arrows, and from the Options menu, select Show in Menu Bar. You can now see the Bluetooth icon in your Mac's menu bar. You can now easily toggle Bluetooth on and off and access the Bluetooth settings directly from the menu bar. You can use your Mac trackpad to turn it off or on. By the way, if you are looking for free Mac apps to troubleshoot and enhance your Mac's performance, access the link to the tutorials in the description box below this video by clicking on More. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.